In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a mobile international wire transfer with the Bank of America mobile banking app. This process is designed to be straightforward, allowing you to send money overseas with just a few taps on your phone. Whether you're supporting family, paying an overseas bill, or conducting business, this guide will make the task simpler and more manageable. First, you'll want to open your Bank of America app. If you haven't used it in a while, it's a good idea to make sure it's updated to the latest version to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once you have the app open, log in securely. You can use Face ID if you're on an iPhone, or simply enter your secure passcode. Both options are designed to keep your financial information safe and protected. Once logged in, you'll land on your home screen. Here, look for the option labeled Transfer to Zelle. It's generally located in the main menu bar or under sections related to transfers. Tap on it, and this will guide you to the next set of options. Here, you'll want to select the Send by Wire Transfer feature. This is specifically tailored for wire transfers, and you will see it among other transfer functionalities. Tap on it to enter the wire transfer setup. Next, it's time to enter the details for your international recipient. You'll need the recipient's full name, the country they're located in, their bank's name, as well as the SWIFT code or BIC. The SWIFT BIC code is essential as it helps identify the recipient's bank on the international network. Double check these details to avoid any mistakes, as an error might result in a transfer delay or, worse, a failed transaction. With the recipient's details set, the next step is to decide on the amount you wish to send. Carefully type in the amount and take a moment to review all the entered information. Confirming details at this stage is crucial to avoid any incorrect charges or destination errors. It's also good to ensure you have enough in your account to cover the amount and any associated fees. Lastly, when you're certain all details are correct, you're ready to finalize the process. Tap on Submit or Send Wire to complete your international transfer. The app will typically give you a confirmation screen or a summary of the transaction for your records. Some transfers might take a couple of days to process, depending on the recipient's country and bank. And there you have it! You've successfully made an international wire transfer from your Bank of America app. Always keep an eye on your account statements and notifications to verify the transaction's completion. This method not only saves time, but keeps your transactions secure and traceable. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating your international wire transfers. Stay tuned for more bank app tips and tricks in our next video.